are at Midvaal, providing communities, raising awareness and spreading the message early detection saves lives. And in today, and what makes it more unique, is that we also partnered with Heineken, promoting the zero product, so that we make sure that the same people don't lose the same social friends, but we reduce the harms related to alcohol. We also distributed memezas, which are personal alarms that people can get help and they can call for help, because gender-based violence is so prevalent.
The reason why we're here is because we want to create awareness on different types of cancers to the community, but also provide them with an opportunity for them to do screening and to do the necessary tests that we always encourage people to do. So we're very happy that we're able to partner with the Minister and of course PinkDrive to make this possible for this community.
Look, today is an exciting day for me and my community to receive the Deputy Minister who brings this exciting initiative which deals with detecting early issues of breast cancer and various other cancers that affect our communities, and just firstly to sensitize them, to make them aware of it, and to also encourage them to go out and test, because early detection is very important in saving the lives of our community and ensuring that we deal with it. And you also deal with the issue of ignorance and not being aware of what it is. And also to bring such expensive services to my people makes me very proud. I mean, normally my people struggle to access some of these services, and you've brought it closer to them, just a walking distance from their homes. So we're quite proud as a municipality and excited to receive such an initiative, and hope this is not the start and can go to other areas, and hope that our people can access the services.
So I'm so excited as the MMC for Health and Social Development to see our unemployment women flocking here to come and check the breast cancer, talking about educating them about the HIV and AIDS. It's so exciting because sometimes we don't give good education to our people. After this program, they will have an understanding to say, we have partners that are with us, we have partners that are also assisting us. It is important, if the government is bringing service to our people, it is important that they must come and do their checkups here.
My impression is that this bus is absolutely amazing. The amount of little compartments and functionings that can be fit into this bus. There's the mammogram section, there's the reporting section, there's the pap smear section, there's the breast ultrasound section, and all of that fits into a very, very small little space. And everybody just works together so amazingly that we never got in each other's way, and the work just went smoothly, and it was actually a pleasure.
If you look at Midvaal, the demographics of Midvaal, we are largely a rural municipality. And most often our residents cannot access these kind of services, or they don't have the money to catch taxi fee or bus fee or train to get to town to be able to access these services. So in partnership with all the other role players, PinkDrive, Social Development, Heineken, we really appreciate them for having made this possible. And I just want to also say that, look, it should not be the last of it, and we should come back.
We choose communities that we know the services are too far, that we know it is costly to access the service, that we know they will have to use their last SASSA grant, because it's also about high unemployment. We also choose area where there is a high prevalence of these diseases, but also that there is a high level of lack of knowledge, where people still believe we bewitched. And we thank PinkDrive because we go from the rural to the peri-urban to the townships, and we choose communities that need these services.
The thing about breast cancer is that the earlier we find it, the more treatment options we have available. We did find some lesions that are probably benign but do need to be referred on to surgeons for further investigation, and those are patients that would have gone unmanaged if it wasn't for the PinkDrive.
It was amazing. The community came, we did education, we did pap smears, we did mammograms, we did more education. What a wonderful day, really. For me, this is what PinkDrive is all about, where we actually take services to the community. The women were queuing, they asked questions, we asked questions, and it's really just amazing. For me, this is about women's health. So thank you, PinkDrive, for letting me be here today. I had an amazing day, and I know that we've made a difference in a lot of women's lives, and we'll save lives.
It was not bad, it was not painful, and I recommend all the women can use the service.
Today I use service of breast cancer. I went to test for breast cancer, and then the service was good, and I found out myself that I'm still good.
If you are above 40, if you are a male, particularly Africans, most of Africans, we should, by that age, when you reach the age of 40 and above, you should really go and do your PSA.
Yes, we're seeing many people standing in queues, getting ready to be tested, and just judging by the mood and the number of people that have turned out, the feedback has been positive, and the outcome of the day have been extremely successful.
So we thank initiatives like your PinkDrive and various other stakeholders such as Heineken as well that speak to specific ills that are happening in our community to sensitize our people.
And it was really an honor for us to be here today. We really have to thank Heineken and Department of Social Development for making this day possible. The service uptake was fantastic. We had queues from early morning. The mammos were fully done, all the pap smears were done. We also offered clinical breast examinations and PSA screening, and it was really just amazing to see the people come out in numbers and really making use of this opportunity. For us as PinkDrive, it's always great to be able to spread the message that early detection will help prolong a life, and we can only thank the sponsors for helping us and making that possible today.